Good afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. So big day today, my kitchen's been delivered. So I'm surrounded by boxes of stuff. The worktops are at the back there somewhere. So yeah, you know, this kitchen, all of the cabinets, all of the carcasses, they're already built up. You know, this isn't a flat pack kitchen. They do cost a bit more, but the benefit is that it takes less time to put the kitchen together basically. So anyway, some of these units are quite heavy, and I'm just going to build a little jig, a little trolley, which will enable me to move these things around a little bit easier without hurting my back. I'll reset the camera and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I bought these casters from Lidl, I think it was, about 3 or 4 months ago actually. They're £5 or £6, absolutely nothing at all. I didn't need them at the time, but I knew at some point in the future they would come in handy. So for the sake of actually shelling out £5 or £6 at that point in time, it was well worth the investment. So I'm just going to do these. So this is what we've got then, and we can see that there is a little sort of locking device on one of the casters. So the casters are 50mm in diameter, and also they've got quite a nice soft rubbery finish to them. Now I'm actually going to use this board as the trolley surface. And what I'm going to do is basically take each one of these casters and fix them in each of the corners, and I'm thinking about perhaps drilling a hole, a circular hole at one end of the board, perhaps putting some rope through it so I can actually pull the thing along. So that's what the intention is, and obviously this is quite a nice size. And with things like the kitchen cabinets or any large heavy item, it will enable me to move them around without buggering my back up basically. So this is a good surface. So just turning round. I'm just going to do some markings out now. Now I've got a selection of screws here, so this is not terribly thick, so this should do it lot. If I use these, that should be perfect actually. So I'm going to need about 16 of these. as if they're going to swim freely. Turn the other way around. Excellent. Right, okay, so my thoughts were, I'm just making this up on the fly basically. My thoughts were to, I don't know, perhaps drill a hole somewhere around there, put some string through so it can be pulled. I'm just going to mark it up actually. So that's 620, so we need 310, which is going to be there. Now we've got some more rope over there, so I'm just going to cut some of that length and it can go into that hole. So just chuck that in there. So this is very basic. Okay. Looks right. Lovely job.